Do you love blackberry cobbler but hate all those little blackberry seeds? Well, today we're making blackberry cobbler that's completely seedless, and it's easier than you might think. If cooking at home is your vibe, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hi friends, today we're making one of my favorite old-fashioned desserts, blackberry cobbler. But there's one problem with blackberries, those tiny little seeds. So instead of just throwing the blackberries in the pan, we're going to cook them down and strain out all those seeds, leaving us with a smooth, delicious blackberry filling. If you love blackberry cobbler but don't love the seeds, you've got to try this version. I'm using fresh blackberries that were frozen. I thawed them out. Place the blackberries in a saucepan with some sugar and a little lemon juice. The lemon juice is going to brighten up the flavor and keep the filling from tasting overly sweet. Now we're going to cook these over medium heat until the berries start breaking down and releasing all that beautiful blackberry juice. Pour the cooked blackberries through a fine mesh strainer and press the berries with the back of a spoon. Or you can also try the cheesecloth method and put your blackberries into the cheesecloth and squeeze. I don't make my blackberry cobbler seedless. Grandma, how'd you make this blackberry cobbler without seeds in it? So toss your berries with flour and sugar. Make sure it's fully stirred. Make the topping with melted butter, sugar, flour, salt, and milk.
Cook it, taste it, let's explore. Bella Latte brings you more. Flexual recipes, hidden gems. Flavor adventures never end.
Are you a blackberry cobbler person or a peach cobbler person? Let me know in the comments.